This is how to fix lagging and the stuttering error of your mouse in your Windows 10 or 11, so let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your settings. Alright, here in the settings click on the update and security and now click on Windows update and make sure that your Windows and your system must be updated. So then you have to just click on check for update, and then if any update is available then you have to just update your Windows 10. So this is the first step to fix the lagging and the stuttering error of your mouse. Moving to our second step, you just need to move back and then open the devices. So here in the left menu, just click on the mouse option to open it. So here you just need to turn off this option. So after turning this option off, you have to just move to the third step, which is to simply click on the additional mouse options here. So then you will find just above the interface of the mouse properties, you have to just click on the pointers option, and here you just need to uncheck this option which is named as enhance pointer precision. So once you're done, you have to just make sure that this option is disabled here. So once you're done, you have to just click on apply and then OK. So this was our final step. So you have to just follow step by step, and after these 3 steps your problem of lagging and stuttering of your mouse will be fixed 100%. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.